My name's Tom Gasper, and we in North Vernon, Indiana, which is southeastern Indiana, farming with three brothers in partnership, and then got three other siblings, brothers and sisters, working with us. We're farming about a little over 4,000 acres, running about a 50-50 corn bean rotation with a little bit of wheat acres where we need to do tiling in the summertime. And we started no-tilling back in the mid-'80s with Dad's first at least a 6-row planter from Soil and Water Conservation. And that's where we got started and gradually progressed from there, and we're about 95% year in, year out no-till on corn and beans both every year. And this is a field where we have cover crops sowed on this fall. It's got cereal, rye, radishes, and oats, and it's established very well. And its priority here was, to start with, was the erosion control, being it's a highly erodible field, and that water holding capacity for later in the summer with the organic matter on top. Okay, initially the cover crops were for erosion control on the highly erodible ground, and then as we've seen benefits from that, we started working with Soil and Water Conservation on through EQIP programs, and started putting that cover crop on a broader acre basis, and we've since then moved to the flat ground. And right now, bigger benefit was erosion control to start with, and then now it's organic matter and soil health from the cover crops, and the benefits to having something growing in the wintertime and no-tilling into that root mass in the spring is definitely a better seed bed, better water holding capacity for August when we need the moisture. The cover crops the last 2 years have been 100% aerial seeded in early September. The benefit there is a few of the early acres we take off harvest-wise, we could probably seed cover crop afterwards, but with using the radishes and oats, we need to get them seeded earlier and get them established, so that's pushed us to aerial seeding, and it's worked out pretty well. Other than that, harvest usually runs too late to cover that many acres to get everything seeded timely on the seeding. Mm-hmm. This particular field has the oats, radishes, and cereal rye in it. We have some other flatter, wet, poorly drained soils that don't have any tile under them. And on them soils, we've went to just the oats and radishes. Due to the winter kill, we don't have to terminate them in the spring, or it'd be as timely terminating in the spring. The cereal rye would maybe get too much growth on it in the spring. If it was wet, we wouldn't be able to terminate it early enough. So we're still working with different mixes to find the right combination. I think that's going to change from year to year a little bit.